Want a custom table without the custom price tag? Start at your local home improvement store. Look for these pre-cut wooden rounds, usually in the lumber or shelving section. They come in a variety of diameters and thickness, so pick one that fits your space and your vision. Apply your favorite wood stain using a cloth or a brush. Don't forget the edges. Let it dry completely, at least a few hours overnight for best results. Now seal the whole thing with polyurethane or polyacrylic. Once your top is dry, flip it over and attach the legs. And just like that, your custom wooden table is ready. It's not only budget friendly, it's beginner friendly and totally customizable, and it looks great.
Dollar Tree and we're going to grab a paper towel holder. Let's all run down to the hardware store and grab us a wood round. This wood round, we're going to turn it to the right side there, but we got to sand the edges. It feels nice and smooth on the top, but the edges get a little rough. Let's go ahead and put some 80 grit on there, and then we're going to switch over to 220 and get it all nice and even. These wood rounds are made with pine, which is considered a softwood. So we've got to condition the wood. We can use a pre-wood conditioner on this, and it looks a little wet. That's what we want. Go ahead and get that all done. Don't forget to get the edges. Let it dry about 30 minutes to an hour. Once it dries, it's time to put on some stain. Use the stain of your choice. I like to go dark every time, so I'm going to use a little bit of walnut that was sitting in my cabinet. I'm going to go ahead and stain this all the way using a towel, and then take off any excess. Now, we're going to get 3 of those paper towel holders and we're going to set them in place. What we need to do is paint them. I like this hammered look from the spray paint that I got. I'm going to spray paint it little squirts at a time. That's what you want to do because we don't want it dripping down the metal. So if it takes 2 small coats, that's better than 1 thick coat. Once we get it all painted, let it dry. Now we got to curve the edges a little bit and bend them. Don't bend them too far. Just get them a little 20 degrees and we're going to do all 3 at the same angle. Now we're going to put them in place on the bottom of our wood round. Put them in place, and I'm going to take these little electric hooks that I got out of the hardware store, and I'm going to put 4 all the way around each side of these circles here. What that's going to do is I'm going to mark them with a pen, and once I got them marked, I'm going to go ahead and pre-drill. Now, just a little tap of the drill bit is all you need. We don't want to go all the way through. Once I got them done, I'm going to go ahead and put little tiny screws in and hold these clips in place. Once I get all 4 on each one of these done, it's really secure, but I'm going to go and measure at the 8 and 6 inch mark on these legs, and I'm going to put a little dab of hot glue, and then I'm going to take some twine. I'm going to set it there and let the hot glue set up. It only takes about 15 seconds. Cut off the excess, and then I'm going to start wrapping it all the way around. Starting at that 6 inch mark, I'm going to work all the way up to the 8. But halfway up, let's put a little bit more glue on just to keep this string and hold it in place. I'm going to go ahead and put it right around there, let it set, let it hold, and then continue wrapping. Once I get to the end, it's just going to take a little bit more hot glue, put that on there, hold it in place, cut off the excess, then I'm going to switch over and just cut off all those little whiskers that are showing up. Once I get all that done, this thing's ready. I'm going to set it in place and I'm going to decorate it. It actually turned out really nice. Look at this. It just is awesome. And I made this all by myself from a round from Home Depot and legs that I got that are paper towel holders from the Dollar Tree. I hope this encouraged you to build your own leg stand table. Thank you for watching Home Talk, and we'll catch you next time.